Oh, it's January the 2nd, and Happy New Year. And I couldn't do car repair, as you can see, still full of snow in here. It's too cold, but for the meantime I could do a tutorial video of our bent solenoid. So if you remember, this part came from the Honda Fit, I think. Yeah, it's from the Honda Fit. Sorry for my accent. So it's from Honda Fit, and we are going to test this, and I will be showing you what's stuck close and stuck open code. So join me today, and I hope I could give you a very informative car repair video for today. So as usual, I got my diagram in here, and this is our bent solenoid. So basically this is a normally open solenoid or circuit. So a gas vapor will enter in here, goes all the way in here, goes to the air. So usually this coming from your canister and goes all the way there, going to the air. So again, this is a normally open solenoid. So if you remember, again, our Honda Fit, we got the code of 2422 stuck close. So what that means, so if we say stuck close, the circuit is off. So if the circuit is off, meaning there's no like engage in here, or the solenoid didn't work or didn't move. So it is normally, it will be open because the circuit is off. But if we turn it on, this one will close. So stuck open, so the circuit is on, this will become close because it's a normally open. I know it's confusing, but just try to take a look in here. So if we say stuck open, the circuit is on. So if the circuit is on, meaning this circuit is on, this plunger in here will close this one. And then if we say stuck close, meaning the circuit is off. So if this is off, this hasn't moved, so it's open. Okay, so let's say this one, circuit is off. This is off because we haven't put any like a power in this. So this should be open. So if I blow it, one sec. So here. So if I blow it, I can feel air, because this is circuit off. So again, I'm gonna give you more details about this. If we say stuck open, this is not literally opens. The solenoid is open. Okay, so it only says if it's open, the circuit is on, and then stuck close is not literally close, because we might like think that, oh, it's stuck close, so the plunger is closed, we couldn't blow air in here. No. If we say stuck close, the circuit is off. Okay, so this came from our Honda Fit, so watch my video for that. And this is stuck close, meaning the circuit is off. Now one more thing to check this one, if your solenoid is working or not, is just by putting power on it and check for a click. So what we are going to do is, I'm going to put a direct power in here. So Probably I will put this on our power probe. So this is our power probe. This is one of the best equipment that you can have. So in there, I'll show it to you. So it's connected to our battery. So positive, negative, and then it become, actually this is 2 wire. You just put them together and it will go in here. So there's 1 wire in here, that's your ground, and then this will, we can use this to put power in here. So I'm gonna put power in here. Let's see if we can hear click. As you can see, you couldn't hear any click. So meaning this solenoid is now working. So that's one thing, one way to check your solenoid if it's working. A lot of procedure of how to check how the solenoid works, and this is one of the one of the best way to check if your solenoid is working. So if you don't hear any click, and for sure this solenoid is not working. I'm going to show you a solenoid that is working properly. One sec. Okay, so this is one, I think this came from Honda Civic, I think. So this is, the solenoid is connected into your canister. So this is the connection right there. So you got two, one sec, you got two connection right there. So I'm gonna put it over, okay, that's our negative, and then I'm gonna put power in there, in here. So if we hear the click, meaning the solenoid is engaging. Okay, let me, you hear that? So you hear click, right? Compared to this one, oops. Compared to this, you couldn't hear any click. This one. So let's try it again. So nothing, right? That click is coming from here, from my, see that? From the switch. But you couldn't hear any click from here. So that's one way of how to, you know, test your bent solenoid. So if you are not comfortable checking your solenoid from the car, you can just remove the solenoid and then test it with the positive and negative, and if you can hear a click, and then this one is engaging, meaning there's a big chance this one is working. But it doesn't mean 100% that if we hear a click, this one is working. But most of the time, if we hear the click, this one is working. So there's another way of how to like check this one using smoke machine, and I did show that in my previous video, so check that out, guys. Alright, so there you go. That's how you check bent solenoid on in here. I mean, like checking the solenoid itself without in the car. So this is one of the fastest and best way of how to diagnose this bent solenoid. And also, again, I just want to summarize. So don't be confused with stack open and stack close. So if we say stack open, I'm talking about the code, because if we say, if you have the code of P2422, it says stack close. So if we say stack close, it doesn't mean that this is close. No, it's not literally saying your solenoid is closed. It's just saying stuck closed, the circuit is off. If the circuit is off, this is normally open. So when I blow air in here, I can feel an air in here. Okay, so I hope you understand that. And if you had any question, any suggestion, please comment down below, and also consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.